Hello and welcome back to my channel. As the sun's getting brighter and the days are getting longer, it's time to refresh our wardrobe with the hottest spring-summer color trends, from soft pastels to bold hues. And you know what that means? New colors and new vibes. Let's see what the hottest trends are. The blue and camel combo is a timeless classic. It's a versatile pairing that works for various occasions and styles. Let me tell you why it works. Blue and camel are complementary colors that create a harmonious contrast. The cool tone of blue pairs nicely with the warm, earthy tone of camel, making it visually appealing. Shades that work well: navy blue and light camel. This is a classic combo that's perfect for formal wears or workwear. Sky blue and camel, a softer, more casual pairing ideal for spring-summer outfits. Royal blue and dark camel, a bold statement-making duo for evening events. You can balance the look by pairing a blue top with camel pants or a skirt, or vice versa. Experiment with different textures, like pairing a smooth blue shirt with a camel leather jacket. And for workwear, you can pair a blue shirt with camel pants or a skirt for a professional, stylish look. Green and purple is a match made in heaven. This combination has got some serious vibe, and I'll tell you why. This is because green and purple are adjacent colors on the color wheel, creating a harmonious bold contrast. The cool tone of purple pairs nicely with the natural earthy tone of green. Some of the shades that work well are emerald green and lavender. This is a luxurious combo, perfect for evening events or statement pieces. Next we have mint green and plum. It is a soft, whimsical pairing ideal for spring-summer outfits. Forest green and rich purple. It's a dramatic, bold duo perfect for making a statement. And for styling tip, you can balance the look by pairing a green top with purple pants or a skirt, or vice versa. And for evening events, you can pair emerald green and lavender. Grey and yellow is a match that is both bright and balanced. This combination has got a lot going for it, and here is why it works. Grey's neutrality lets yellow's warmth and energy shine. It's a versatile pairing that can be dressed up or down. These are some of the shades that work well: light grey and bright yellow. A fresh combination that is perfect for spring-summer outfits. Charcoal grey and mustard yellow, a great pairing for adding depth and sophistication. Dark grey and lemon yellow, a bold modern duo perfect for making a statement. And for styling tip, you can use grey as a base and add yellow accents for a pop of color. You can pair a grey top with yellow pants or a skirt for a chic look. You can add white or black accessories to balance the look. Grey and yellow is perfect for a lot of occasions. It is great for a stylish professional look. It is perfect for everyday brunch wear, and it is also ideal for evening events. Blue and butter yellow is a classic combination that is both soothing and vibrant. This combination has got a lot of potential, and this is why it works. The cool tone of blue complements the warm, creamy tone of butter yellow, thereby creating a harmonious contrast. And these are some of the shades that work well. Light blue and pale butter yellow. It is a soft, calming combination perfect for spring-summer outfits. Next we have navy blue and bright butter yellow. It is a bold, contrasting pair for making a statement. We have sky blue and creamy butter yellow. It is a fresh, natural pairing ideal for everyday wear. And to style them, you can pair a blue top with butter yellow pants or a skirt for a chic look, or you can use blue as a base and add butter yellow accents for a pop of color. You can add white or beige accessories to balance the look also. The blue and green color combination is a perfect match because these two cool tones complement each other beautifully, creating a visually appealing contrast that is perfect for fashion and design. The key to pulling off this combination is finding the right balance between the shades. For instance, you can pair a bold blue with a softer green or vice versa. Blue and green are analogous colors, sitting right next to each other on the color wheel, making them very harmonious and soothing to the eye. For styling tips, you can balance bright shades with neutral basics like jeans or tees. You can mix patterns and textures to add depth. You can use metallic accents like silver or gold to elevate the look. You can try color blocking with bold, solid blocks of blue and green. For workwear, you can mix a light blue blouse with a mint green pencil skirt or pants. The blue and red color combination is a classic high contrast pairing that is both bold and stylish. This is why it works. Blue and red are complementary colors on the color wheel that create a striking contrast, thereby making each other pop. And these are some of the shades that work well. Navy blue and bright red. This is a timeless combination, perfect for statement pieces or sporty looks. Light blue and deep red. A softer, more romantic pairing, ideal for evening events. Royal blue and crimson red. This is a bold, luxurious duo, perfect for making a statement. For styling tips, you can balance the look by pairing a blue top with red pants or a skirt, or vice versa. You can add neutral accessories like white, black, or beige to let the blue and red take center stage. You can experiment with different textures, like pairing a smooth blue shirt with a red velvet jacket. Some of the fashion houses have inspirations with this color combination, and we have Tommy Hilfiger, known for their iconic blue and red striped designs. We have Ralph Lauren, whom often incorporates blue and red into their classic preppy looks. And for occasions, royal blue and crimson red is perfect for formal dinners or parties. And for sporty looks, navy blue and bright red is great for athletic wear or casual outings. And there we have my top 6 color combinations for spring summer 2026. Let me know your favorite pair in the comment section. Let me know those that you already have in your wardrobe and those that you're looking to get your hands on. And also let me know some other colors that may not be on trend that you also plan to wear this season. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. Consider subscribing if you like videos on fashion, styling and restyling your clothes. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And until next time, have a good day now. Bye.